Hello, beautiful people. I welcome you all to another episode on Jewellery. Of course, you all know this is the best channel where you can learn how to be creative and how to create beautiful and lovely designs with the use of simple jewelry materials. But before we proceed into this class, I would like to appreciate you all for always coming back. And if you're a first timer here, I welcome you also. So don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you can always get to watch every of the videos we post, subscribe, and don't forget to like also. Thank you. So these are all the materials needed. I have my copper wire, which is 0.71 mm. So I have earring hangers, accessories, white ball beads. I have three sizes. I would be using different sizes, which are 8 mm, 6 mm, and 4 mm. And lastly, I also have 4 mm gold ball bead. And that's all we would need to create the earring. So the first step is to pick up the copper wire, unwrap it, cut out a short length, just like this, though it's not compulsory you use the same length with. You can work with any length that will be convenient for you to work with. So put the wire into the hole of the earring hanger. Then use the round nose plier to lock it together. After doing that, put the 8 mm ball bead first. Then you will attach the accessory also with the bead. I don't want the earring to look boring, that is why I'm trying to spice it up with the accessories. So you cut the wire to make it short and easy to lock. Then you lock it. So this is what we have. So because the wire I used earlier is still long enough to work with, so I'll be using it for the next one. Put the wire into the hole of the accessory, then lock. So now put the 6 mm ball bead. Cut it if it's too long. Then you lock it. So we are just going to follow the same procedure for each steps.
Aisha Ochua. Aisha Ochua. Aisha Ochua. Aisha Ochua. Aisha Ochua. Aisha Ochua.
Then lastly, the gold bead.
Aisha Ochua.
And this is what we arrived at.
Aisha Ochua.
So we are moving on to the second part of the earring now. following the same procedure we used earlier.
Aisha Ochua. 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 Aisha Ochua.
So we are done creating our beautiful earring. Bye for now and see you in our next class.